Hey everyone, it's Halloween time and tonight we are mixing up a cocktail that is literally to die for. This is a wickedly killer cocktail that will haunt your taste buds in the best possible way. For this cocktail, we will need Malibu coconut rum, sinfully silky white chocolate liqueur, the green elixir itself, Midori, pineapple juice, ice, cocktail shaker. Prepared glass has already been pre-chilled in the freezer. Let's get into it. Firstly, we'll need some ice in the shaker. Then we're going to need 60 mils or 2 ounces of pineapple juice. And then we're going to need 45 mils or 1.5 ounces of Malibu coconut rum. Okay, now we need 15 mils or half an ounce of white chocolate liqueur. And 15 mils or half an ounce of Midori. Such a beautiful green colour. I really love it. It smells amazing. The melon smell is fantastic. Okay, shaker lids on and let's shake. And let's pour. Look at the colour of this, it's absolutely stunning. It's very much like a creepy greenish yellow and just perfect for Halloween. So here you have to die for. Let's give it a taste. Wow, that is really, it's a little bit similar to a pina colada. You can taste the coconuts very strong, so it's a tropical drink, which is perfect because in Australia, Halloween is actually in spring, so it's good to have those summer flavours coming in. And if you happen to be in autumn, then you can just have a taste of this for a reminder of summer. Never the wrong time to have a tropical drink. I love it with the white chocolate, just gives it that strange hue. It's almost green, but sort of got that lemony hint to it as well, but it's kind of like almost a little bit neon. I really, really love that. That's a delicious, delicious drink that really is to die for. Cheers to another great Friday night, and remember, every great drink is just one shake or one stir away. See you next week for another cocktail.